Okay, this is 2041 Pacific Street. This is where I reside. This is owned by New York City Housing Authority. Just want you to take a look. This is the building. This is the entrance to my building right here. This is it. This is actually the entrance. That's exactly how dark it is. Exactly. As you see over here, it's a bright day. The sun is out. Beautiful and bright. Whatever. And this is how dark it is to go in. Now I'm walking towards the building. I'm walking towards the building, towards the entrance. It's still dark. It's still dark. You got these little lights that you see here, but it's still dark. Against this wall, this is where the whole asbestos abatement stuff from July 23rd. Can you see that? Can you see the address? 2040 Pacific Street? Okay. Asbestos abatement, asbestos on the roof. This is asbestos abatement on the roof. This is the ceiling inside the courtyard. That's what you're looking at. That's right. All of that is the ceiling. This actually fell down on someone. This is the entrance to the courtyard. This is the entrance. Getting a little closer. Hi. I'm taking them to court. Yeah. This is where people sit down. It's extremely dark. I'm recording it. This is where little children live. This door is never locked. It's always open, easy access to people. This is
The door never locked. They don't want to fix it, nothing.
They don't want to fix it.
My building, they gave me an appointment for fix it 1 year. Either when I expect to fix it, the window or something, I got it like a 3 or 4 appointment. They never show up.
They never show up. They close out the tickets.
They close the ticket because they don't want to repair. They don't want the money.
They close out the tickets. Yeah. So this is the door. The door is wide open. Anyone could just enter in. Anyone could enter in. At night, these lights are off. Now I'm walking towards my entrance. I'm walking towards the door. Let me just show you. I'm not using a key. No key. Did not use a key. Did not use a key. Did not use a key. Gonna open the door again. No key using. See, no key plugged in. No key. Door is wide open. Over here, fire escapes are blocked. Just a little entrance for the fire escape. This little entrance here. People are supposed to be able to get out through that little plug. Where's the next plug? Where's the next entrance? Fire escape. These lights are off at night. It's the next fire escape. Little plug. It's smaller than you think. Okay? This is the asbestos building. This is all taped up. Scaffolding. This is where little children, 5-year-old, 6-year-old babies have to live amongst. This is 575 Howard Avenue is the management. Asbestos on the roof. Okay. This is Sharon Collins. This makes no sense. Now I have like a little pneumonia in my lungs too, just like my 6-year-old son, Jacob. Okay, someone needs to come out here and really make an assessment of this. This is not right. To hell with the damn rent. People's health is in danger, and someone really needs to do something. Management is corrupt. This is bad. Who you just heard from, that was a tenant, an elderly tenant who also states that they've been closing on her tickets. This is for everybody in this building. They just close out their tickets. Okay. All right. Now I'm going in. See, this is taped up. These are taped up. Taped up stuff. Okay? I'm opening the door again. No key. Not putting in no key. Opening the door. Yeah. There you go. That's it. Okay. Signing off. I'm going to, this is really, since 1996, this asbestos has been on the roof. 1996. Okay. Run out.